All right guys, Dave Hall here with Restore Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. We have a 1990 454 short bed pickup truck. This is a two-wheel drive, got only 6,000 miles on it. This is a one-owner truck. Came from the East Coast, always been stored inside, extremely well cared for. It does have a couple minor upgrades with the exhaust system and a couple simple things that makes the truck sound a lot better, but it's only got 6,600 miles on this truck, and it's all documented, Carfax, everything. This is lot number 730.1. This is a Thursday afternoon vehicle at Scottsdale, Barrett, Jackson, so you don't want to miss out on a 6,000 mile 1990 454 Chevy short bed two-wheel drive truck. Lot number 730, Thursday afternoon, Scottsdale, Barrett, Jackson. Thanks guys. Check out all the information online.